晏晝2點鐘，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺晏晝2點，颱風暹芭集結喺香港西南偏西約330公里，即係喺北緯21.3度、東經111.2度附近。預料向西北移動，時速約16公里，移向廣東西部沿岸。暹芭即將喺湛江附近登陸，並且逐漸遠離香港。本港風力會逐漸減弱，視乎本地風力減弱嘅程度，天文台會考慮喺下晝4點至8點期間改發3號強風信號。現時本港西南部風勢較大，離岸及高地間中吹烈風至暴風。預料同暹芭相關嘅雨帶仍然會間中為香港帶嚟狂風大驟雨，市民請繼續保持警惕。喺過去1小時，昂坪、長洲以及橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時94、89以及72公里，最高陣風分別係每小時134、102以及81公里。有關最新嘅天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
2 p.m. Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 2 p.m., Typhoon Chaba was centered about 330 km west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.3 degrees north, 111.2 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 16 km per hour towards the coast of western Guangdong. Chaba will make landfall near Zhanjiang shortly and depart gradually from Hong Kong. Local winds are expected to weaken gradually. Depending on the degree of weakening of local winds, the observatory will consider issuing the strong wind signal, number 3, to replace the number 8 gale or storm signal. Between 4 and 8 p.m., it is windier over southwestern part of the territory, occasionally reaching gale to storm force offshore and on high ground. It is expected that Chaba's rain bands will still occasionally bring heavy squally showers to Hong Kong. You are advised to remain on the alert. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Chung Chau, and Waglan Island were 94, 89, and 72 km per hour with maximum gusts 134, 102, and 81 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio for the latest weather information broadcast in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。